Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the wheel off and stabilizing it so you can work safely. Once done, remove the quick release or end caps and keep parts in order. This preserves spacing and alignment. Use 2 cone wrenches to hold the cone while you loosen the lock nut just 1 to 2 turns. This frees the axle, but prevents parts from flying apart. Make sure to work on a clean surface and photograph orientations to make reassembly straightforward and error-free. Once the axle is out, slide bearings or bearing races out and keep them separate. This prevents mix-ups and contamination. Next, remove the retaining bolt or bolts that hold the free hub or hub body. Use the manufacturer's hex, Torx, or socket size so you don't strip heads. Carefully lift the ratchet ring or pawls. They can spring out, so use a tray or cloth. Take close-up photos of spring orientation and pawl seating, so you understand how they interact with the drive ring when you rebuild. To finish, clean all components with solvent, dry and inspect teeth, pawls, springs, and bearings for wear or cracks. Replace any damaged parts. Apply a thin, appropriate hub grease to ratchet teeth and pawl pivots, then reassemble in reverse order. Make sure end caps and spacers return to original positions. Tighten lock nuts to correct preload so bearings aren't too tight. If engagement is noisy or fails, check spring seating and pawl clearance. Often a misaligned spring or incorrect spacer causes the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.